What is a pizza without an actual pizza sauce? Using tomato ketchup on a pizza is too mainstream. That is why this week's recipe is about the perfect and the most delicious pizza sauce. Hey everyone, this is Adebobere and welcome to another Saturday's recipe. Spice up your pizza game with this traditional pizza sauce recipe and use your creativity to make a unique and memorable meal. Making a pizza sauce at home instead of using a ready-made one might seem like a lot of work, but trust me, it's going to be worth it. Today's video was shot by my mom, so a huge thank you to her. In my first video, I had used regular tomato ketchup for the pizza base, but making a pizza sauce at home is going to create a lot of different. To be honest, the only difference between a restaurant-style pizza and a homemade pizza is their base and their pizza sauce. And this recipe is exactly going to fit in. This recipe is not going to take you more than 15 minutes to cook. If you've been watching my videos, you must know about my upload schedule, but for those of you who are new to the channel, I upload videos every Saturday, so make sure you hit the subscribe button, and if you like the video, hit the thumbs up. Also, press the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new recipe. If you use a different recipe than this one, do let me know in the comment section, and if you have any suggestions for new recipes, please drop them in the comments below. So your pizza sauce is ready under 20 minutes. You can store this in an airtight container and use it whenever you want, but make sure you refrigerate it. This pizza sauce lasts up to about 1 month, which is a great deal. I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.